truck. Please pick up garbage. Do you like the garbage? This is what they do. Garbage. They pick up the garbage cans and they cut back loaders and they pick up cans. Front loaders go from top and the bottom. This is how it is. This is how it is. This is how it is. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks. That's the song.
All right, friends, now it's time to play with garbage trucks. Let's grab our toy garbage trucks and start picking up trash just like the real ones. Watch how the truck lifts the bin up. It goes. Now it dumps all the trash inside. That was awesome. Let's drive our trucks around, pick up more bins, and keep our town clean. Are you ready? Let's go.
So this is a collectible special. If it drops, then it breaks. This one's a front loader. If it drops, then it doesn't break. This one is already broken. This one lifts his dumpsters. This one is a hopper, and this is for collecting the bins. And this is for the front loader. This is a back loader for the cans to go from the back. And this is from Rocky, from Paw Patrol. That's that garbage truck. And this garbage truck is from Santa, Grandma, and Amazon. And this one is from Target. Here it is.
Wow, playing with garbage trucks is so amazing. I'm having so much fun with you guys. We picked up trash, compacted it, and even watched it get dumped into the landfill. So cool. Thank you for playing with us today, and thanks for following us. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can have even more fun together next time. See you soon.
Okay, guys? See you next time, friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.